The correct way to write YouTube scripts with ChatGPT: 6 rules. Hey YouTube fam, ever stared at a blank page, dreading the script writing process for your next video? We've all been there. But what if there was a way to supercharge your script writing and create captivating content that keeps viewers glued to their screens? Enter ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can become your secret weapon. However, wielding this tool effectively requires the right approach. Giving ChatGPT the wrong prompts can lead to generic, uninspiring scripts. In this VIP guide, we'll break down the 6 golden rules for harnessing the power of ChatGPT to create YouTube scripts that not only inform, but also wow your audience. Rule 1. Break down the script into bite-sized prompts, targeted information. Instead of overwhelming ChatGPT with a single broad prompt, dissect your video into smaller, more specific questions. This allows for a more focused and relevant response from the AI. Think of it like giving ChatGPT a clear roadmap to the information you need. For example, imagine you're creating a video on perfecting your pizza dough tossing technique. Here's how you can break it down. Prompt 1. What are the common mistakes people make when tossing pizza dough? Prompt 2. For each mistake identified, explain a step-by-step approach to mastering the correct tossing technique. By asking specific questions, you gather actionable information that lays the groundwork for a script that viewers can actually use to improve their skills. Rule 2. Be specific when answers lack depth. Sometimes, ChatGPT's initial responses might be a little thin on details. Don't be afraid to refine your prompts to get the information you need. Here's an example. Initial response. To build a skateboard, you'll need a deck, trucks, wheels, and bearings. Refined prompt. For beginners choosing a skateboard deck, what are some key factors to consider, such as size and material? This refined prompt nudges ChatGPT to provide a more comprehensive answer, giving you richer material for your script. Rule 3. Simplify complex information for clarity. Let's face it, not all viewers are experts in your chosen topic. If ChatGPT delves into overly complex territory, simplify things down for better audience comprehension. Here's how you can achieve this. Rule 4. Spice up. Your script with intrigue and emotion facts are essential, but captivating scripts go beyond mere information. Use ChatGPT to inject emotional hooks and intriguing elements to keep viewers engaged. Here's how you can do it. Basic script excerpt. Next, we'll attach the wheels to the trucks using the bearings. Prompt for intrigue. Can you rephrase this section to make it more exciting for viewers who are eager to assemble their first skateboard? This prompt can lead to a more captivating script section, perhaps highlighting the feeling of accomplishment when building your very own skateboard. Rule 5. Unearth hidden gems with unique prompts. Sometimes, the most engaging aspects of a video lie in surprising details or common misconceptions. Here's where ChatGPT can become a goldmine. Prompt. What's a common misconception beginners have when assembling a skateboard? This can unearth interesting tidbits that set your video apart and provide valuable insights to your viewers. Rule 6. Curate, don't copy and paste, inject your personality. While ChatGPT provides valuable nuggets of information, remember, it's a tool, not a magic script generator. Your voice and creativity are essential for audience engagement. Think of ChatGPT's responses as a buffet. You wouldn't just pile everything on your plate, would you? Instead, select the most delicious and relevant information, then weave it into your script with your own unique flavor. This could involve adding personal anecdotes or stories. Did you have a hilarious experience when you first assembled a skateboard? Sharing this will connect with viewers on a personal level and make your video more relatable.